You remember we were actually talking about doing this a long time back. We were like, we just start something, maybe a vlog or a podcast or something like that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Rajni
I-
ma'am was there too.
Yeah. She didn't turn up for this day, so I didn't call also.
Is Pratyasha coming?
Damn, I forgot about it. Thank
Go.
you for putting that out like that. I should have, because we're also going to talk about New Starry Night and
Yeah.
Squirrels. These are two songs that we made over here with the Layers of Music workshop
Pratyasha was with us when
for
we
New
were
Starry
in-
Night. Yeah, I think the way it started was Prinjal, who will or will not join us. I don't know. I mean, she told us she's on the way. If she joins, she joins. No. Sorry. Where was I?
Prinjal Didi.
No, for that.
We were making.
Yeah. So she asked me in one of these classes, do you compose songs as well? And I said yes. That is when you had just started doing vocals
Yes,
with me, right? And what were the rags that you had learned? So what were the thars we had done and
Bhairavi. and
Bhairavi?
Bhopali.
It's not where.
Sorry, sir.
Bhairavi,
And Bhopali.
Bhopali,
And I don't remember what else we did.
Kalyan. We did that because
Yes.
of the songs that you were touching. You came up
Yes.
to me after the basic Sargam was done with you. I remember you came up to me with a song and you said, which, if I had to learn something about it, what? I said, Baki Komal or Tivra Sur ka tere ko pata hai. And then I think we did Kalyan first, then Bhopali, then Bhairavi.
I think first was Bhairavi.
First was
Yes,
Bhairavi.
because that was the one rag I was really comfortable with at first. Somehow.
Yes, sir. I saw that video where you were doing something like this and all with the keyboard.
Yeah.
What? Yeah. Teach me that. I want to do that.
And also Bhopali because Rajni ma'am was doing it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. In the first layers
Yeah.
of music show. Yes. I remember. I mean, we're going to make the show about her. Sorry. She's gonna kill me. She's deadly at times.
There's nothing that Rajni can't.
No. Yeah.
Oh.
No. Okay, but coming back to squirrels, we need to get back. There's a lot that I'm going to cut now. I thought I'll not touch the razor tool on the edit, but no, I'm going to. Yeah, where was I? Where
Squirrels.
Squirrels. You start about squirrels. You tell me about your experience with squirrels. And then I'll tell
So,
you.
it was a Sunday and I was here for a vocal class. And suddenly, you and Prinjal Didi pulled up Squirrels. I was like, huh? This sounds nice, but I have never heard of this song. And then you were like, oh, we wrote this. I really liked that song, so I kind of hoped to be a part of this. And you came up with that for Rajni ma'am.
Oh, yeah.
And
yeah.
for me, it was Dara Dara, something like that. I didn't know.
Yeah. That was a different arrangement.
Da 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 da.
There's a cloud in the sky.
Yeah,
Wow.
it was for me. So I was kind of happy with that too because I really liked this song. So I was like, anything would be fine for me. And then suddenly things just changed, and I was one of the party.
No, I'll tell you what happened. This was during April, no?
Yes.
We were planning to take it out on the
Spotify and YouTube.
No, we had the potential show before that,
Yes.
and I was planning to have a preparation with all of you, or at least tell people that no, we are working on this, and if you know somebody who can sing. So I had thought of having a big production, and I was like, by the time I get everybody together, I mean, before that, firstly, I have to be a little more credible. Secondly, let's pick the ones who show up all the time. And you can't, when you're running an institute like this and you have parents who drop their kids, and sometimes they also take part in the activities, sometimes they also participate or they sign up for classes. What we need to accept and understand is they won't be able to give us all the time we need, and you can't blame them. Once you have a kid, you get super busy. I'm going to be a parent, so
Oh.
yeah, I can't be like you can find your time. So what if you have a kid? I can't use that luxury anymore. Sorry. But yeah, I understand why it gets difficult to be regular with an activity when you have responsibilities. It's 2 kids you're handling, juggling between work and both of them, finding time for vocals. Rajni ma'am was there, you were there. We were planning to have somebody else also. Gayatri, I think.
Yeah.
Barsha ma'am.
Barsha ma'am is good.
She was going to be a part of it. Gayatri, a part of me was also keen on getting Suro sir to play the Pakhavach for this. Yeah, and even give the bowl of the tal for this.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Your reaction then. Are you conscious? Are you looking at the camera every
I'm trying my best.
to not be conscious? The one thing you need to remember, forget that there's a camera over there. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. Just be a part of this conversation. Not even gonna look at the camera. Oh, यहाँ पे हाँ. So,
मैं
right.
तब से यहाँ देख रही हूँ.
है ना? लगा ही था. मत देखा कर. कुछ नहीं मिलता. ठीक है. Audience ये देखने को, ये नहीं देखना है. Hi. We are going to be monotonous and we are going to talk about squirrels. What do you think, Arpita? Don't look at me. Look at the camera and talk. Talk.
No.
Yeah. Okay, so what do you like about the lyrics and the or dislike? What do you think we could have done differently?
I was thinking this could be a like a calming song. I was thinking at first, like only acoustic version of this song. So I was really looking forward कि एक तो आएगा acoustic version, we will make it. So, but जब पूरा song बन गया, I was like no, this sounds better.
नहीं, but जैसा सोचा था ना वैसा भी एक बार ही करने की कोशिश करेंगे. When everybody is available and we can have rehearsals, and I want to be able to have it live over here also.
I actually wanted with that. It's really really nice. It's really dreamy.
Yeah.
And Rajni ma'am can do it like better.
She can. I'll reach out to her.
Yeah.
If you're listening, Rajni,
Ma'am.
Yeah. I was like, Das, is it? Haan. Rajni Das. If you're listening or watching this, please tell Sanchi I said hi. Yeah. And please join us for Squirrels. Prinjal was also going to sing.
Oh.
You're avoiding her because she hasn't come up yet. No? Like,
When is she coming?
I got no idea. This is awkward.
Yeah.
Yeah. We were talking about her. She's not here. Yeah. Okay.
And about Starry Nights, I really didn't thought of a song like this. To be honest.
Didn't think.
Yeah. I didn't think about a song like this to be honest. I was thinking of a like a dreamy and a very calm, like something about something a little romantic. I was thinking of that when I heard Starry Night, but it turned out something else, and it's not bad. So I really like it too.
Thank you. No, but Starry Night ka, when we had the workshop, so we have a Layers of Music workshop, right? We pick notes at random, but this is the first time we picked a rag.
Yes.
कौन सा राग है बता?
It was Kalyan.
Shabash, Tivrama.
I was not thinking of that. I was thinking of King of Rags, Kalyan. I actually chose that because it's King of Rags.
शाबाश. कल्याण हो गया इस गाने से हमारा. Right. So Kalyan is basically Lydian mode, है ना? तो वेस्टर्न क्लासिकल में भी बस अगर बोल दोगे ना लिडियन मोड समझ आता है. So we picked that and we were like, all I have to do is replace the fourth note with its sharp and chalo. या फिर तीव्र मा पकड़ लो and come up with your sequence. So you guys picked notes first, right? And da 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 da. ये पहले नहीं आया था. पहले क्या आया था?
पहले मेन पार्ट आया था वो.
Na 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 na.
Yeah, it was the first one.
So we did that first. फिर we started writing. तेरे keywords मुझे अभी याद है. तूने बोला था starry night मुझे चाहिए. मुझे उसमें rain चाहिए.
हाँ, रेन नहीं हो पाया था.
हाँ, rain कहीं. Sorry.
रेनी डेज बोला था मैंने.
Rainy days बोला था.
वो आ भी नहीं सकता था.
कॉफी की बारिश कर दी.
क्योंकि आपने बोला था कि ऐसा दो, बस बन ही नहीं पाया, तो मैंने सोचा ठीक है कुछ हार्डर से देते हैं. फिर आपने मतलब मैक्सिमम वर्ड्स यूज़ कर लिया बस.
प्रिंजल पे ब्लेम डाल देते हैं. वो आई नहीं अभी तक. ठीक है. हाँ, वो आएगी तब वो डिफेंड करेगी खुद को. यू चेंज न्यूज टाइम. नो सर, यू चेंज न्यूज टाइम एंड आई डिडंट डू एनीथिंग. आई नहीं ना. हाँ, बच गए हम लोग.
शी इज गोना वॉच दिस तो.
Let her. Prinjal, if you're watching, this was her idea.
No.
Before the shoot, she told me. Yeah, yeah. So, and also, she had said, Prinjal दीदी को edit पे मत बिठाना. मेरा भी बहुत पार्ट काट लेगी.
Such a liar. I never said anything like that.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm making it all up. She's a very good girl.
You're making it seem like I am the liar now.
नहीं का. तू और छोड़. तौबा. जिंदगी में तो नहीं. हाँ. सर प्रिंजल दीदी अगर नहीं आएगी ना.
I never said anything like that, sir.
हाँ, सॉरी. शी नेवर. सर प्रिंजल दीदी टाइम पे नहीं आई. देखो मैं ना टाइम पे आई हूँ.
Even I was late.
तू 11 बजे तो पहुँच गई.
11 बजे मेरे को टाइम दिया था 10:45. I was like 10:59 I think. Oh, she's here.
Talk of the devil. Could you get the door for us, please? उसका एंट्री म्यूजिक बनाए. डैंग 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 डैंग. Hello. Hi. Oh my God. Look at her. She's looking like a diva. Come.
Now I think even I am matching.
What?
Matching black bag. Oh, you too. Oh, black bag. अब मैं भी बाल खोल दूं क्या?
मुझे नहीं पता. कर ले.
मैं भी चश्मा निकाल दूं. नहीं आप
This is better, please. And तुम्हारा पावर कितना है?
मैं भी.
कितना?
2.75.
हाँ. रुक. हाँ, तेरा?
-5.5.
-7. बोलो. लेंस पहन के मिटा है मेरा.
अच्छा.
आंखें दर्द नहीं होती.
भाई लगा लो. Forget about it. सोने से पहले उतारना. बैठ जा. We are rolling already. बैठ जा. कैमरा ऑन. We are rolling. ये सब भी आएगा. मत कर प्लीज. मत. हाथ नहीं लगाना तू बस. हाँ. आजा.
मुझे भी देखना था.
तूने देख. समय बाल खोल. समय ये कर.
मेरा
एक
भी
सेकंड
देखा
सर.
था.
तुझे नहीं पता इधर मिरर है.
नहीं.
तो इससे पहले आई है.
I forgot.
हाँ, तूने खुद को भी देखा है 3 बार फ्रेम में.
अच्छा हाँ. 2 बार.
ये याद रहा. हाँ. मुझे पता नहीं. Can you get a little closer because we are not sure whether we'll have you in the frame or not. Can you please go and check ये frame में आ रही है कि नहीं. That is Suchismita Panda. We will give her credit
Yes.
to walk and check the. She's there in the frame.
Yes.
इसका इधर से कट नहीं रहा है. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay, good. So this is our mic. Okay. This is her
Our
mic.
mic.
Our mic. So, how are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I'm good.
How are you? Good.
I'm really good.
Yeah. So Squirrels and New Starry Night, you were a part of the writing process. We were just discussing about how you had such an immense contribution, na?
He was quite insulting you.
What do you want to
That's his
believe?
nature.
Yeah.
I know that. He can't appreciate. That's
You're looking so nice. You wrote such a nice song somewhere in your diary. Sorry.
people are going to need like they will be needing some real content, okay? So
Yeah. Yeah. That does make me think like
yeah.
what should be the pace of our conversation? Should we bring it down to this because it was a little livelier before? Yeah. We'll go with this. Talk, please. Tell us about scripts.
You haven't even given me a moment after I've come.
Sorry. You need some water, some coffee?
Let me
You want to settle down?
breathe.
Okay. Take a deep breath in and exhale.
You tolerate it.
Everybody does.
They don't have to.
I can't.
Exactly.
Yeah.
They don't have to.
No, there's an ambition. Like I have to make something like a squirrel. Just let's bardash them for a while and then like, yeah. Because see, if this is the result, this you can tolerate. If this is the result, this I am sorry.
Sir.
They're really good people. They're awesome students to have. Yeah. Sorry. Okay, so
I told you he can't appreciate. हमसे बदतर मिलते हैं ना तब पता चलता.
you think you नहीं
आप बोल दीजिए.
नहीं मैं कुछ नहीं बोला. You said you are the worst.
No. हमसे बदतर मिलते.
हाँ, तुमसे बदतर मिलने नहीं बोल रहे हो ना अभी तक.
मिले हैं कौन बताइए.
नहीं वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ तुमसे बदतर मिले नहीं. हमसे बदतर मिले होते तो पता चलता है इनको.
हाँ एक्चुअली
मिले नहीं है ना आपको भी मिलेंगे. आपको पहले भी बहुत अच्छे मिल गए तो
वही.
Yeah.
appreciated.
नहीं but I don't think the only song I made after this was Shaky Bumsin. No, I made one more. I made Faith in Lifetime. But Shaky Bumsin was, I think, I borrowed a few words from her. Like 4 words you suggested. Pumpkin, black.
You were like what words come to your mind when you hear these 2 words? So I was like, okay, yeah.
Okay, tell us about how Squirrels started. What was your experience?
I think it was my first class, and we were just having kind of a demo class. And I don't remember actually. Then I asked you, like, if you have written a song or like you have experienced anything like this. So you were like, there was a Hindi song you wrote, so you played
Yeah.
it for me,
Yeah.
but you never got to work on that. Yeah. So then you were like, okay, give me 4-5 words, and then I'll show you how you like we proceed with songwriting and like everything. So that morning only I saw these 2 squirrels going up and down on the like guava tree, and it was like very serene, very beautiful. So that was with me. So
Squirrels.
yeah, that's how I came up with the words squirrel, guava tree, clouds, and
What was the
Thunder.
Thunder.
No.
Peace.
Peace. Yeah, because
That was
again,
very serene.
You're
Yeah.
very peaceful.
Yeah, very peaceful. Like
first in the morning you are seeing something very playful, yet you know it was a very jolly moment for me. So yeah.
She's very calm. You know, like,
Actually, I get the vibe.
yeah.
It's really peaceful around you.
So yeah.
I think it was not your first class. I think after a few classes of keyboard, you know, when I was like, play the scale again and again at this tempo. Sir, have you ever written a song? Yes. She pushed me down the memory lane. It was my experience. Like, and then I was like, okay, layers of music is where you take notes and do it. Why can't we do it with words? And the part about this was she started getting. You got the notebook? No, no.
I have my notebook.
ला देखिए I really doubt इसकी नोट
I have the real thing.
Yeah.
Like, that's where
That's where it started.
it
we
started.
we ended up working on so many verses.
Yeah.
Ended up working on so many tons of scratches, tons of, and we're like, no, it's not working, no, it's not working, and can be better, can be better. I don't think I had that kind of support for Faith in a Lifetime. I had that for New Starry Night.
एक second.
Talk about appreciation.
And I think, like,
इस कॉपी में नहीं है.
when people write something about or write something, how do I say it?
This copy holds a lot of memories.
Say it. I think.
नो मतलब एक सब्सटेंस होता है या एक कुछ इवेंट होता है जो मतलब समथिंग दैट इंस्पायर्स समवन टू write or make art out of it, but it was the other way around for you. Like you wrote the song and make something out of
Yeah.
it. Like it wasn't in our mind or in your mind that it will be going to a like the theme will be
Around mental health.
yeah, around mental health or like
Yeah.
So after we like finished up the song and
No,
We had this idea.
the second para was, so first para was all playful.
Yeah.
Right, remember? And then one day the God of Thunder, and she was very much against it. She was like, "And you have to say God of Thunder." I said, "Yes, I do."
Yeah, it wasn't making sense. But
Yeah.
then, see, she's
एंड में हो गया कैसे?
हाँ.
It worked. But the next para that we came up with was that was when I had a blissful feeling, and
Even though I couldn't, even though I know it could,
I wanted you to finish up the lyric.
I forgot.
That's when I had a blissful feeling, and I
knew it could
change my.
fate.
That was when I
Started healing
in a world
when no one could hate.
that no one could. Yeah. So when we had, I think you were like, no, we need fate also somewhere. That's not coming up anywhere, right? And we need fate.
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 I know, like, and
Yeah.
like where?
In the end,
Yeah, you
That's
came
when-
up with the word fate too.
that's when I had started healing. That was when I started healing, and I knew it could change my fate.
Okay. Yes.
So, sorry. We came up with the word fate because you wanted something that rhymed with hate.
Hate, yeah.
So you wanted hate to be removed from the world, and yeah. Wow, look at this. A damaged soul needs a cobbler's skill. So, okay. Starry nights, darkness, Lydian mode, Kalyan Rag. Laughing memories, rain. Rain ही नहीं है.
बाकी सब नहीं memories.
Memories भी नहीं है. Laughing तो बिल्कुल नहीं है.
नहीं.
Sorry.
Dreams.
Happiness है.
Dreams
ये
नहीं.
New Starry Night. See? Mug on your desk. The coffee mug seeks a refill. That became the mug on your desk needs a refill. The sole on you of your shoe seeks a cobbler's skill. A call from your client made you skip a meal. I really wanted her to take up this whole song. She was like, no, since you said I can produce it, I need a male voice and you sing. And then I came to you, because back then you were having solo classes with me for keyboard. And I really want to ask you this. Can you play that particular Pankaj Udhas song on the keyboard? Do you remember which song it was?
Yes, right now? I don't know.
Do you
I'll try.
remember that song?
Yeah, of course.
Which one is it?
और आहिस्ता.
कीजिए बातें. Yeah.
You're asking me if I remember that song. Like, that's
That's my go-to song, sir.
continue.
No, I was about to admit that you stopped your keyboard sessions because you're preparing for UPSC and you got your 10th. Hence, you stopped vocals. And when you become an officer, you're going to start your classes again, probably.
Anything can happen.
Yeah,
Nothing is like
impossible.
impossible. possible or predictable. Right?
To be very honest, I think it's best if we continue to make songs like this. Yeah.
Who's stopping you? Make it.
Huh?
Make
No, I feel like Selena Gomez from Only Murders in the Building, stuck with two very old men.
Actually, you said this the last time too.
Yeah, it's true.
You were not there, and he was like, our age gap is literally like Selena Gomez, and I forgot.
Yeah,
the
no, not that much. But our age gap is that much. You are what, 25, no?
23.
23?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. No, 20, over 20 years, okay. Here, like, still not 20.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
20 years. How old are you? 23.
And how old are you?
37. I'll be 37 this year. 36.
I'll be 16 this year.
Yeah.
I'll be 24 next month.
Yeah.
Oh, next one.
Hey, you were there in Shaky Pumpkin.
Yes, of
You
course.
sang Shaky Pumpkin.
Yeah, you forgot.
Yes. I didn't. Yeah. Oh, I'm so sorry. Yes. you
I
did.
was thinking.
Yeah.
Me, Naman, and Gayatri.
Gayatri, yes.
It was a really jolly kind of song
Yeah.
for me, to be honest. While
Da,
singing.
da, 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 da.
I haven't heard.
Sing,
haven't.
sing. Do her a favor.
There was a tiny jungle inside a park. The moon was not up there, and it was quite dark. It was quite dark. Suddenly there was a meteor shower. The birds and bees thought they saw a shining star. The meteor rock fell near a pumpkin. Itna.
Oh, yes.
It had a little hole that pulled the pumpkin in. हाँ.
हाँ, बस.
Yeah, बस उतना. बाकी Spotify पे सुनने का ठीक है.
Yes.
अगर पसंद आया.
हाँ, ऐसा अच्छा नहीं लगेगा.
हाँ.
Spotify.
Sorry, we totally neglected.
No. I am right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like I came late. You ignored me means what? I ignored you for like 40 minutes. I didn't show up. It's okay.
not my fault that it's too far from my place.
I called you at 11:15. Sir, मैं अभी निकल रही हूँ. The shoot was scheduled at 11. Okay. Sir.
It is what it is.
Yeah.
Nothing can be done now.
Yeah. No, sir. I was expecting you to start at 12 because you said 11.
Sir,
Sorry.
Let's continue.
Yeah,
exactly.
Let's not make it about me. Okay. Let's continue with the song. Right. New Stein Night. Let's talk. Sorry. Let's talk a little bit about the song, please. New Stein Night. So, yeah, these things were covered. Tell me when you came in, you remember these phrases? We started like this. Sorry.
I do remember, but I think we already had all sorted.
No, I remember writing this part with you.
No, it was with me.
No, this part I wrote with you. Then when I wrote it in my diary and then I sat with her, then the last part of it came out. So sometimes you went out with a scream, and happiness seems like a
I
distant
didn't agree
dream.
with this line.
No,
I know why.
Yeah, that
No.
you agreed to this one. This was the one that
No,
you.
that
you
happiness
may be-
is yeah. She didn't
What?
agree with this.
Yeah, I
Happiness
wasn't
feels like a
agreeing with
distant
the
dream.
whole part.
Which
I
one?
did-
No,
Yeah.
no, you.
No.
This one, no?
Actually, I
This
was not
is-
realizing it before she said.
No, you're talking about this part.
That happiness seems like a distance.
No. This is the part that I showed her first. You may be living someone's dream. It's not as hard as it may seem. And she was like, no. It's not working. No, sir. No, sir.
It was
Yeah.
like taking a diversion from the
Yeah.
songs.
But the good thing about this whole thing is you guys recognize the soul of the song when you when I put the both of you together in a class or in a session. It's like, yes, this actually works when it comes to the lyrics, and these are the sounds that we can use, right? That's why even now, this is to kids, this is the best. To adults who are working, they like this one better than Squirrels, right? This is something everybody likes,
I
right?
think
I
that's
think it's-
because yeah,
Hmm.
Yeah,
peace के बारे में है तो
No, I think
everyone
it's
can
very
relate.
important for kids because there is not a single song or a rhyme that talks about mental health,
Yeah.
and there needs to be, you know, some kind of awareness that you cannot just go on bullying someone. Like
Yeah.
kids do that, मतलब unknowingly करते हैं, but
Yeah.
होता है, वहीं से start होता है हर चीज़. So
Kids do that, it stays with you. When you get bullied or when you bully someone, no?
Yeah.
It stays with you as a habit.
हाँ, मतलब
Yeah.
memories बन जाता है. So
Actually, I used to be a bully.
Used to बोल रही है.
Yeah.
it's okay, unknowingly होता है
या
सबके
वही
साथ, but
मतलब हाँ मतलब
कोई
I
सिखाने वाला नहीं होता है, but
कभी पता नहीं था
What-
कि I was a bully. Yeah.
What makes you say used to?
क्योंकि तब मैं
Do you
मतलब
realize that even we are scared of you at times? She never admits
it's
it, but
good
yeah.
that you're scared. Okay, it's good. ना होना चाहिए.
Not scared of you at all.
डर
But
का
yeah.
रहना चाहिए.
थी मतलब I used to be a little bully when I was a
Yeah,
kid.
used to. We'll buy that. Yeah.
I am not a bully. Never mind. अब पता चलता है कि मैं बुली थी तब पता नहीं चलता था.
No, because
वही unknowingly होता है हर चीज़.
no, because you find it funny and you don't realize that you're hurting somebody as a bully. Have you been one?
I don't think so. I don't know.
I don't think so too.
About her, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Me neither.
You just can't be a bully.
I really can't. I tried. I can't.
I'm not talking about you.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
So self-obsessed.
That's bullying in a different pattern, but I'm not.
No, that's just
So
stating
she's saying mean
facts.
things about me.
Oh.
I'm feeling very bad. Yeah. Okay. Where was I? Yeah, self-obsessed. See, where was I? Instead of where were we? Yeah, she's so right. Oh my God. Huh. Yeah.
So we were like talking about Starry Night.
Exactly.
New Starry Night.
सर सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन का टाइम पर्सनल होता है, यहाँ पे मत डालेंगे अपना.
No, I was saying it because it just hit me since I've not been a bully. When it comes to being the mean parent, it's going to be all on Soumya. Yeah. Sorry, the strict. She's going to watch Sam and Dead Man. So we'll do that again now. Kaat ke. So, since I've not been a bully, I just realized, it just hit me. The onus of being a strict parent is going to be on Soumya throughout. Like, she's doing a good job.
हाँ,
She's
आपके भरोसे नहीं छोड़ सकते बच्चे
तो बिल्कुल नहीं. इससे देखो स्क्वेयर्स बनवा लिया.
उससे पता नहीं क्या हुआ.
उसको स्क्वायर नहीं बना कर छोड़ देंगे.
I'll tell you, इसके साथ क्या किया पता है? She one day she asked me, sir, when it comes to notes, every sound has a frequency, like every speech has scale. Yeah. Like so, we're talking right now. Na 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 na.
I know,
That-
like
yeah.
you
So she was
used to
like,
do this.
so she ended up laughing all of a sudden, and the notes that came for. Dhani sa na 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 na. It was like that. Yeah, it was so. This is how it was going. So her sound का frequency होता है हाँ. So even my speech has something. I said yeah. Okay. नहीं sir, I say I don't really agree. And करते करते we started talking, and on some part she, to taunt me, she went and I was like na 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 na. See.
I was trying to say that even my laughing is like very lyrical in
Melodious,
nature.
yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm the one who's self-obsessed. Yeah.
I'm just putting it in a better way.
No, everything. Like the way you said it right now, he's just saying, sa ni sa ni sa. He is just saying, yeah. Awkward silence again. Prinjal, do something. You're good at it.
I think that in the MG of squirrels, it's going to be a little one, and you're going to dress him or her as a squirrel and go to leave him up there on the guava tree. Oh.
No. I'll bring him or her over here, and everything the light touches, यहाँ के light on कर लूँगा. That's all ours, and yeah. I do feel like Mufasa at times.
It would be really fun if, like, a kid on the guava tree dressed up as a squirrel. It would be really funny.
I'm not allowed to beat her, right?
No.
Can you do the honors?
No.
Not on. Okay. Huh?
No.
Yeah, no, she's not gonna beat her up later. Very good kid. Yeah. Well, this is good. Yeah, you got all the notes. These are 9 basic emotions. Navrasa, Thought, Rag, Mode, तीनों का यहाँ पे we've. This is what I was going to teach you later in keyboard. Modes का, and the connection with thoughts and rags. I read this as Santa. नवरस में
हाँ तो क्या लिखा है? शांत. Okay. It's Santa only.
Yeah, it's Santa. Santa brings peace or tranquility. अद्भुत.
मेरा हंसी यहाँ पे अटक गया था.
हास्य रस. रौद्र देखना है कभी कभी तो.
You shouldn't be reading this.
I gave it to you.
Yeah, but
Yeah, you wrote it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wrote it as Santa and not Shanta.
तूने डिसाइड किया एच को हटा ही देते हैं. क्या रोल है एच का?
But in Odia, I think.
Santo, yeah, I wrote it in Odia. Hasya.
हास्य.
करुणा.
हास्य. ओडिया वर्ड इज हास्य.
अच्छा, hasya.
हास्य रस. करुणा रस. श्रृंगार
Yeah,
रस.
yeah, I was talking about like Odia,
Yeah.
not in Hindi.
Pronunciation. Sorry. No, my name is Ashutosh Nath in Odia.
You don't know your spelling only. Spotify में you are writing double A and बाकी हर जगह you are
No,
writing
that-
single A only.
No, that is because I just realized double A SH वाले ज़्यादा आशुतोष है नहीं.
तो
ठीक
अपने
है?
मन से change कर
Change कर लो.
No,
Plus,
actually,
someone
stage
suggested
names,
also.
Stage
Stage names एक
also.
तो then I had a suggestion from a friend also, right?
तो ये illegal है
Add,
कौन सा?
हाँ?
कुछ झोल
कोई
नहीं
बात
होगा।
Ajay Devgan can do it. They were like numerology and all. Like one of my friends suggested, आप एक ए ऐड कर लीजिए, करके देखिए. मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना कि मैं वो बोल रही हूँ होता है. हाँ, मैं बोल रही हूँ ना कि आप करके देखिए सर, हो जाएगा. अब चेंज जो होगा आप मेरे को बाद में बताना. क्या व्हाट डू आई हैव टू लूज. तो डाल दो.
Ma'am, all I'm saying is that don't you need like paperwork or something?
Maybe
No,
singers.
see,
Right?
if
Stage name. change.
for a stage name or for putting it up on Spotify as an artist, I don't.
Okay.
एंड अभी तक वो नौबत आई नहीं पैन कार्ड में चेंज करना पड़े या पेमेंट्स का कोई इशू. सो लीगली ऐसा कुछ किया नहीं है. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग इट आउट. होगा तो ठीक है, नहीं होगा तो क्या.
What's in the name?
हाँ, शेक्सपियर ने बोला था ना. याद रखना कौन बोला व्हाट्स इन नेम. शेक्सपियर. Okay, next thing we are going to.
We don't show this.
Yeah, we don't promote your school. I'll blur it out in the video, ठीक
I
है?
think my school would mind it, but yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, what are your plans for the future? How do you want music to be a part of your life in the future? Tell me about it.
I think it is already a part of my life. It's not like I'm disconnected from the music world or something. I can't be.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
But talk about creating, or talk about being involved the way you were over here.
I don't
'Cause-
have a plan right now, but I'm looking forward to it. I don't have a plan,
Hmm.
but I'm looking forward to be more inclusive in the part of
The creative process.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. When we make songs, we'll call you. We'll call you for workshops. Bigger things that we are planning now. We have an open mic on 18th, right? If you want to try out your poetry, do come. Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah, do come. The way I see it, you guys are pretty talented to confine it to your homes, right? Especially with the skill set that you've got, right? Coming up with lyrics for songs like this. Sometimes I think Faith in a Lifetime could have been better if you guys were contributing to it, or the next song that we make, right? So yeah, I got this on video now. You guys are gonna be a part of the process later, like
We'll try.
वही क्योंकि मतलब जाने आने में मेरा ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम
Same.
इधर रहती है तो इसका फिर भी आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड हर
मैं
बार
अकेले थोड़ी आ सकती हूँ हर बार इस
The-
बार तो
the-
ये आ गई कि अपने आप से बोली कि मैं जाऊंगी चल
रिकॉर्डिंग के टाइम फट गई मैं आ रही हूँ सर
नहीं वही
शी वुड
recording
ऑलवेज
में-
कंप्लेन शी वुड कम लाइक एंड सर आपका सेंटर इतना दूर क्यों है
It's
सर
like 35-40 minutes away
Yeah.
from now. So it's
That's the first
too
thing.
far.
Initially, I used to think, I mean, what does she want me to do? Get a center over there? Then I started changing my perspective. Someone actually values this place. That's why they're, making the effort of coming so far. I should keep it like that. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's not too far. I did come.
No, you did. For Squirrels, for New Star Night, you did. So did you. Therapy tends to do रहा है. I can't expect you to, be that available. Yeah. UPSC is not a joke.
You yourself will be busy, like as a parent.
No, see, the work is not going to stop.
Yeah, but
Work, creative process चलता रहेगा, right? Because with all the open mics that we're going to do over here, open mics में जहाँ मैं गया हूँ, you've seen the videos, My Child Says and the other one.
I'll just go and check.
the space or stays at
Yeah, the space. The one. There's a stand-up act that I did called My Child Says. That gained a lot of traction. I didn't know that I could try stand-up. I was like, go there, fail, and then promote your song, sing your song, and ask people to follow on Spotify, right? And let us see if you get some more streams organically.
Okay.
So that was the intent. But I went there, it worked. थोड़ा effort डाल के गया था, it worked. Then I realized, why can't we have an open mic over here, right? So what I'm going to do is edit this video right now, after you guys are gone, and ask everybody to be a part of it's on Book My Show. Go to Book My Show, look for Make That Mic, and book your tickets. 50 रुपए के tickets हैं till Thursday, and then 100 रुपए के हो जाएंगे, 99 रुपए के. I think this was the first time. You remember you had come with your mom? We had to customize classes for her because we didn't have a one-on-one keyboard session. Tab tak. You, Dr. Anil, and there was another lady who had one-on-one keyboard sessions with me, right? And they were willing to, pay the charges. कि हाँ ये लगेगा, we'll pay this much, but and chess and Odyssey, you had said that group will be okay, but keyboard I need a one-on-one. And वहीं से she had a one-on-one session with me.
I
Hence
never
the-
got to learn keyboard, but yeah.
you're still in Odisha right
Yeah.
No.
No.
Odisha.
What did you ask?
no I'm like
Odyssey.
Okay.
continue.
First she quit chess, then she quit Odyssey, then she was like Squirrels हो गया, New Star Night हो गया.
It was like too far for me. एक बार ओडिसी के लिए
understand
आओ, एक बार
actually.
कीबोर्ड के लिए
I
आओ, एक बार
understand.
मतलब और फिर यहाँ ही पे रह जाओगे तो
Yeah.
ऐसे।
So, no, when we expand, make that move. I'm trying to reach out to Shore Studios, which is closer to your place, एंड देयर सम अदर स्टूडेंट्स हु रिक्वेस्टेड कि उनके घर से पास होगा, तो शोर मैं अगर कर पाऊँगा तो बेटर होगा. Somebody lives in Bhimtangi, you live in Lakshmi Sagar, shore is in BJP Nagar. So, तू कुछ मत बोल, यहाँ इधर रहती है तू,
सर
एक
पर
किलोमीटर
फिर
दूर
भी
रहती
लाइक
है.
आने वाले मेरे को कोई छोड़ने
साइकिल
आए
चढ़ के तू आ सकती है, ठीक है.
मैं कहीं नहीं जाती ना लाइक, तो यहाँ पे आना भी थोड़ा प्रॉब्लमेटिक है.
Oh my God. ठीक है. Okay, your plans for the future with music and singing.
आई टू बी ऑनेस्ट कुछ प्लान तो किया नहीं है, बट आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड कि मतलब कुछ तो करूँगी म्यूज़िक में. एक ऐसे गाना बनाना हो या फिर लाइक बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ समथिंग.
Okay. 10th तेरा होने वाला है. You think you will have the time for all of this? जैसे हमारे टाइम में, I think आपके टाइम में भी 10th माने no other activity.
Yes, like for parents to like
Yeah.
they won't allow to do
Yeah,
this.
no other activity, nothing. 10th means the whole year you spend studying. Was it like that for you too?
Yeah, मतलब everything gets serious, like everything. गेम पीरियड भी चल लेते हैं
वही
यार.
है.
PT period, music, कुछ नहीं. All your classes are shut. I remember मेरा, I think तेरा तो फिर भी 9th तक चला. मेरा 8th के बाद सब गाना वाना सब बंद. तो 9th 10th या 2 कोई खास असर नहीं पड़ा मार्क्स पे, जो था वही 10% ऊपर नीचे. You guys scored 90s, right? You guys are good students, no? You scored in the 90s, and I wasn't, clearly.
I'm not.
You mind asking how much you scored?
No. I mean, I mind.
Thank you. Moving on.
Yes. What are we talking about?
Exactly, it's like knowing us.
Because we like
हाँ मतलब
telling
क्यों
everyone.
आपको कोई
Yeah. मैं किसी को नहीं बताऊँ मुझे.
सर, इसलिए मैंने आपको फोन पे पूछा सर टॉपिक क्या होगा.
मैंने भी पूछा था, like मैंने भी
कि
पूछा
आप
था.
डाइवर्ट हो जाते हो और सडनली इट्स अबाउट अस आवर बोन्स एंड
Edit
But-
this out. We can't be like talking here कि ये सब काटो ये सब काटो. We can't be talking like that.
ये मैं पक्का रखूँगा.
There should
ये वाला
be
part.
there should be framework. You
I
said
tried.
it will be about like
Yeah, we discussed
song
squirrels.
writing and how
Yeah.
you got
I thought like
into
it will
कब
be
का खत्म हो चुका है? You guys बंद कर लें.
Yeah, of course, if you want to wrap it up with something, then
No, but you should end it on a memorable note. इसका you want
I
to?
think the only way to end is like आपका जो first song था, you
Hmm.
can
Talk about it.
Play.
Like the Hindi one.
हाँ the Hindi one.
Okay,
It would be your cue to work on it properly.
no, when you asked me, it wasn't the first. Oh, well, you know what? So this place was built in 2005. You know?
Okay.
I'm like,
मैं पैदा भी नहीं हुई थी.
huh. So 2006 was when I wrote my first song live, right? And it was right here. Back then, tiles वगैरह कुछ नहीं था. You didn't have anything, and we had not even decided what to do with this place. So I just came over one night. There was a bed over here. गद्दा वद्दा भी नहीं था. I took an old laptop and ऐसा mic तो भूल जाओ. So we had one of those little mics you see in the call centers back in the early 2000s and all. वैसा वाला mic था, and somebody had recommended a trial of a software. I can't even remember कौन सा वाला, Nuendo था शायद. So I just started recording from the keyboard and putting it out there, and पहला गाना बना था. So yeah, I'll work on it. But now I realize that the depth in lyrics comes after a lot of work. You guys attained it at a very early age. I think, yeah, it comes after a lot of life experiences also. तब इतना था नहीं.
Oops.
Yeah. So yeah, I'll go back to working on it. That is something. If I work on it, would you guys want to collab?
We would try.
Yeah, we'll try that. our very best. But yes.
So we can actually have a schedule where we don't spend more than 6 hours on it, not continuous. Okay,
अच्छा, continuous नहीं है.
हाँ,
So to do this.
go. हाँ मम्मा, पॉडकास्ट पे बैठी हूँ. हाँ हाँ, मैं सर के रूम में पहुँच गई हूँ. अभी उनके कुर्सी पे बैठूंगी. हाँ, नहीं नहीं, कोई जल्दी नहीं है. ये लोग वेट करेंगे मेरे लिए. You want to add to it?
नहीं.
Okay.
मेरे घर वाले भी कॉल कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, सॉरी.
मेरे
सो
FS
12:36 देखते हैं कितना हुआ. तो इसमें से काट कूट के आई थिंक वी हैव 30 मिनट्स का कंटेंट.
ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं करना चाहिए उनकी. कोई इतना लंबा वीडियो देखेगा
No,
भी नहीं.
they'll watch. It's not about that. That's not what I'm worried about. लोग देखेंगे. पॉइंट ये है कि आपका कितना चीज़ है जो रिलेट कर पाएंगे. बिकॉज वी आर नॉट सेलिब्रिटीज राइट नाउ. कि हम लोग को राइट, वी आर नॉट पीपल हु हैव वर्कड वेरी हार्ड एंड लॉन्ग, और वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट we are not talking about something very knowledgeable. We just spoke about how we made these 2 songs. That is it. And just tell me, तुझे लगता है कोई बिलीव करेगा ये सब यहाँ पे इसी वेन्यू पे प्रोड्यूस हुआ है?
नहीं भाई, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट मेरे को भी नहीं लगा था कि क्या मतलब ऐसा बन जाएगा.
Come back. Let's wrap it up. Pranjal was like पीछे जाके देखना है. प्रेम. हाँ. So, did you think that these songs can be produced over here throughout? पूरा सारा का सारा गाना इधर ही बन जाएगा?
नहीं, मतलब मैंने सोचा था कि इतना अच्छा नहीं बनेगा. मैंने सोचा था कि हाँ बनेगा, कुछ तो बनेगा. लेट्स सी क्या बनता है. क्या बस
स्टूडियो में
We
जाके
didn't know about the process
वही.
and how it works, so it was a first time experience for both of us. Like, we didn't know कि Spotify के लिए you have to go and register, इतना लंबा process है.
वो है.
Yeah.
And it's not just Spotify. Spotify पे तो you have, it's one platform. When you release, the distributor takes your song everywhere. So it goes on Prime, it goes on JioSaavn, it goes on YouTube Music, it goes on Spotify, of course. There are tons of other platforms. नाम भी मैं Deezer का नाम मैंने नहीं सुना था पहले कभी. So, कुछ 20-25 ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स आते हैं जिस पे तुम्हारा गाना ऑलरेडी है एंड तुमको पता भी नहीं है. देन दे टेक इट टू सम रेडियो स्टेशंस जहाँ पे बजेगा तुम्हारा गाना. सो थोड़ा सा रीच कुछ नहीं भी करोगे तब भी आ जाएगा, है ना. बट द वे आई सी इट इज द रीज़न आई इवन स्टार्टेड मेकिंग इट विथ यू गाइज, बिकॉज एक तो तूने जगाया दोबारा कि हाँ मेक अ सॉन्ग, शो मी हाउ यू मेक अ सॉन्ग, एंड देन यू आर लाइक what do you need from me as when it comes to vocals, I'll do whatever you need. I said पूरा गाना गाएगी? हाँ गाऊंगी. We didn't have that कि if I would tell a student I need this from you, right? हो जाएगा. थोड़ा यहाँ तक चलोगे फिर क्वालिटी पूरा चेक करना. स्क्वेयर्स के लिरिक्स का 2-4 पेजेस काट के वी वेंट तब जाके बना. ठीक है, कितने थे? 4-5 घंटे हमने रिकॉर्ड किया. उससे पहले रिहर्सल्स कुछ कम किया है?
नहीं, बहुत.
Right, so-
हर क्लास में रिहर्सल चल रहा था हमारा.
Yeah. Before that, the training, you remember the candle and all of that. Because we didn't have a filter, so bha.
सब
वो
कुछ
भी
मतलब करना
all
था.
those little details we were checking all of that. So you recently asked, अभी थोड़ी देर पहले, I'm going to put it out also, structure होना चाहिए. The reason I wanted this thing to be free flowing is because these songs are also made like that.
Yeah.
We didn't have a defined structure. Idea आया, फिर structure वहीं पे बना, and फिर
So मैं बोली थी it shouldn't be about us. हाँ, but I get it. Don't take it personally.
I'm not taking it personally. I'm just thinking what more can I share about you guys. Yeah.
You can't.
Yeah, you cannot. क्यों बोलेंगे नहीं?
तुम्हें लगता है तुम्हारा बोलना जरूरी है?
आप बोलोगे हम छोड़ते नहीं, आपको ऐसे कैसे लगता है?
मैंने तो सोचा भी नहीं बोलने के बारे
हाँ
में.
तो फिर
You do realize this conversation is also revealing
कंटिन्यू.
a lot about. Yeah.
एक्चुअली मैं सोच रही हूँ कि ये सब हम एडिट कर लेंगे, राइट?
हाँ काट
हमें,
नहीं
हाँ.
पड़ेगा हमको.
हम पहले आपको सब काट कूट के दे देंगे, फिर आप करना जो आपको
फिर
करना
अपने अपने चैनल्स पे डालना. Look, whatever Ashutosh did was not like this is what actually happened. Okay, we will show you.
है. Yes.
He's a good editor. He just put a few things up.
Yes,
He
he
used
just-
AI to replicate our
हाँ.
faces,
And also
put two
voices.
dummies over here, and yeah,
Yeah, we will do that.
that way the video will get more views. ऐसा कौन सा वीडियो है जिसमें ऐसा कुछ हुआ है इन लोगों के साथ?
हाँ
Yeah, everyone will look up like कौन सा वीडियो किस पे ऐसे हुआ है,
क्या
किस
हुआ
पे ऐसे हुआ
है?
है like
अच्छा, what should the title of this video be?
random talkies I guess, like podcast तो नहीं था.
समथिंग अनप्लग्ड,
Something unplanned,
अनक्यूरेटेड.
uncurated. Raw
What's
ना
that?
बोल दूँ?
हाँ
Raw.
whatever you want it to be.
Chaos to be honest. It's like real chaos.
Organized chaos.
हाँ.
क्राइम कम था हम लोग के पास. नहीं कुछ और. थिंक थोड़ा सोचो. हम लोग लाइव दिखाने वाले हैं. हम लोग ना लिरिक्स लिखते कैसे हैं. एक टाइटल के पीछे देखो इतनी मेहनत होने वाली है सर. हाँ थिंक.
Okay, let's see you guys very soon.
That's
बाय
not
बोलो
tight.
ना जल्दी.
टाइल बाद में सोचेंगे कॉल में.
हाँ टेक्स्ट पे डाल के. हमें 2 दिन लगते हैं टाइटल फाइनल करने में.
तो सोचो गाना कितना टाइम लगता है हमारे.
We are very serious about our work. If you want the 3 of us to make a song, you can hire us at makethatmove.in. Prince will talk about the money part.
By me.
Because they'll buy it if it comes from you. Because you make sense when it comes to money, and I can't think of a figure right now. I always undersell myself. That
If it's free for me, I'm coming.
हाँ so ये पैसा लाएगी कस्टमर से. ठीक
अच्छा,
है.
अच्छा, ओ.
हम लोगों को बात
Oh.
बिकॉज हमको पता है हमारे दिमाग में अभी जो भी चल रहा होगा ना तो उसके 3-4 गुना बोलेगी उन लोगों को. और तो हम लोग डिजर्व भी करते हैं. ठीक है.
ठीक है. Production part we'll talk about it later.
पहले आप बोलिए.
Wrap it up now.
Just give them a price or something. If they want to make a song like
Nobody
Squirrels.
talks about it.
No, because actually Faith in a Lifetime के पता है ऐसे ही बना था.
क्या?
He heard Squirrels, he heard News Channel 9. Yeah, okay. I am going to make a song for my wife with you.
You're telling me or?
Yeah, Faith in a Lifetime.
अच्छा अच्छा.
Faith in a Lifetime is something I made for my nephew
अच्छा.
because he was getting married, right?
Mhm.
And he's like, no, I'll sit with you. I'll make the song because I've heard Squirrels, I've heard News Channel 9.
Mhm.
So I'll make the song. I'll sit down to write the lyrics with you. I'll give you whatever you need, and chalo, make the song for me. And they were very impressed with it. Yeah. So उसके लिए हमें कितना चार्ज करना चाहिए?
So मेरे को कैसे पता?
मैंने तो रिश्तेदार के लिए
You are
बनाया.
into this business, so you decide.
इतना बोलते हैं. मेरे अंदर हिम्मत नहीं होती.
Why should I speak?
Okay. Okay. If you were to charge for your efforts into this, how much do you think you guys should get?
मेरे को नहीं चाहिए पैसे. I'm just
तुझे
doing-
मिलेंगे भी नहीं. तू 18 की नहीं है.
वही I'm like
क्यों?
पेरेंट्स को
But
मिलेंगे.
उससे
पेरेंट्स को
अट्रैक्टिव
मिलेंगे.
नहीं हो के भी इतना एफर्ट्स
अरे
डाले
पेरेंट्स को
you should get it.
पेरेंट्स को मिलेंगे.
oh
क्यों? उसी को मिलना चाहिए.
वही अब
वही।
इंडिपेंडेंट.
चॉकलेट खरीद के बर्बाद कर देगी. ठीक है.
क्यों? बच्ची समझ रखा है, इतना अच्छी
वही।
मेहनत की.
नहीं पता है मुझे. मैं तुझे अभी पैसे दूंगा इमीडिएटली. तू क्या करेगी बता.
Invest
कुछ मत बोल।
करेगी, वो जो भी खरीदेगी रखेगी.
बोला तो कुछ.
क्या?
वही I'll save
आप
it.
पैसे तो दो पहले.
मैं
पेरेंट्स
save-
मेरे
अब पैसे तो दो पहले, फिर वो सोचेगी आ रहा
आंटी
है
को
नहीं
पैसे
है
दूंगा. मैं
पैसे.
तुझे भी नहीं मिलेंगे अभी. रुक.
Never mind.
नहीं, but-
नहीं तो पता है हम लोग को.
मिलेंगे पैसे मिलेंगे.
सर कैमरे के सामने दो ना, तब पता चला.
मेरे फोन से ही शूट हो रहा है. वरना मैं जीपे तो कहीं नहीं था. मैं कैश रेट घूमता नहीं हूँ.
कैश नहीं देंगे अब. जीपे क्या करेंगे? मेरे पास तो है मेरे बैंक.
मेरे पे कर देना.
Hence-
ठीक है,
हाँ, हाँ,
मैं
हाँ।
कैश
नहीं देगी तेरे को मत.
Very.
Again,
I
आपके
believe
जैसे
it.
नहीं होते, मैं वही तो बोलूं, पहले आप दो तो सही हम
I
लोग।
I know तुम्हें जैसे है नहीं, तू देगी नहीं इसको।
I trust her.
ये शी विल कॉल मी।
मैंने आपको
सर का मैम का नंबर दो, ठीक है, अर्पिता के पेरेंट्स का नंबर दो। हाँ सर, मैंने उनको जीपे कर दिया, आप अर्पिता को बता देना कि वो मैं देना चाहती थी इसको, पर ये मिली नहीं, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं था, ब्ला 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 ब्ला, इसलिए मैं उसके पेरेंट्स को जीपे कर दिया। फिर तुझे जाके अंकल,
नहीं मेरे को वो
कितना
यही
सोच
मिला।
सकते हो, कितनी कहानी बना सकते हो सर आप।
that reminds me, we also got clap talkies with us, right? We make stories as well, and yeah. In the open mic, this is serious. In the open mic, we are going to pick people who can be parts of the cast or the crew, right? So यहाँ पे we are going to have a lot of stand-up comics who will show up, poets who will show up, storytellers who will show up, musicians also. So if they want to contribute to a short film or a web series, or most probably short films, we are going to make shorts. So yeah, there's that. There's clap talkies. ओके, we'll say bye. लेयर्स ऑफ म्यूजिक पे जाके देख लेना, प्राइस वगैरह सब वहीं पे मिलेगा, प्रिंजल ने बनाया। चलो बाय
Bye bye.